Welcome WBP Stars. My name is Yornie van Dijk, chef and owner of restaurant Basiliek in Harderwijk, the Netherlands. Today we show you our dessert and I think our first signature dish. We are now open almost for 2 years. And from the beginning I asked the plan to make a dessert together with CAVIAR. Because in the former restaurants when I work I was always on the pastry. And of course I like the taste of CAVIAR a lot. Together with Esme, our pastry chef, we create this dish. We start from the beginning. We search for the nice CAVIAR. There are a lot of CAVIAR, some salty, some more salty, some less salt. But this one is the Perle Imperial. It's a little bit salt, of course, but a really nice flavor of roasted nuts. And we combine it with different preparations of hazelnut and ice cream made of Dutch vanilla. So we start with the dessert. As May is making the CAVIAR, we make a tuile of bernazet. And here I have a cream made of roasted white chocolate. They call it namalaka. We put the chocolate in the oven on 170 degrees for 7.5 minutes. So it's like golden brown. Then we make a crunch of roasted hazelnuts and Jivara chocolate from Valrhona. Because the Jivara chocolate is really milky taste. So the crunch on top. Then we made hazelnut milk. We put the hazelnuts for 2 days in water. And then we pass it to a fine sieve. It's like a little bit milky. We put it on the whole mirror of the plate. Like this. And then of course we have the vanilla ice cream from the Dutch vanilla. We make a classic vanilla ice cream. Make a nice knel of it and put it on the middle of the dish. Then we put the tuile on top. With some nice pearls of the CAVIAR. And this is our signature dessert. What we say to the guest, eat it from the top till the bottom, so you have all the taste together. This is the nice flavor. It's also like the little bit salty of the CAVIAR. Put the taste of the ice cream to another level, and it's very nice combination. Thank you very much and enjoy it.